Lesson 6, Real World. Lesson 7, Review. Let's review. Sweater, sweater. Pants, pants. Socks, socks. Shoes, shoes. Shorts, shorts. Costume, costume. I'm wearing a sweater. I'm wearing a sweater. I'm wearing pants. I'm wearing pants. I'm wearing socks. I'm wearing socks. I'm wearing shoes. I'm wearing shoes. I'm wearing shorts. I'm wearing shorts. I'm wearing a costume. I'm wearing a costume. Colors, colors. Orange, orange. Black, black. Red, red. Green, green. Purple, purple. A purple sweater, a purple sweater. Red shoes, red shoes. A red costume, a red costume. Green socks, green socks. Orange shorts, orange shorts. Let's practice. What are you wearing? I'm wearing a purple sweater. I'm wearing a purple sweater. What are you wearing? I'm wearing red shoes. I'm wearing red shoes. What are you wearing? I'm wearing a red costume. I'm wearing a red costume. What are you wearing? I'm wearing green socks. I'm wearing green socks. What are you wearing? I'm wearing orange shorts. I'm wearing orange shorts.